flow and the stars shine bright. You raised cotton and corn, a little Canaan kid. You either lived on a farm or wished you did. Jesus always walked close by our side. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. There's a lot about life you can learn on a bus. How to lie, how to fly, how to kiss, how to cuss. The closer we sat to the back, the smarter we got. Before we were ugly, we were all best friends. Wide-eyed, baptized, still wanting to sin. Thank God we get more than just one shot. Where I grew up, we rode in trucks. That's us with our tailgates down in the rain lawn. That's us heading straight into town when the work was done. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Bug Island Road. It wasn't that long ago, it was part of my soul. We thought tobacco, beer in a can was all it would take to be like our old man. Then I saw how it made my mama cry. Fish in a football game, and the girls, and everything changed in our lives. Falling in and out of love, we rode in trucks. That's us with our tailgates down in the parking lot. That's us with mud on our tires when it rained a lot. In my mind, I can still see us now, riding down Bug Island Road. It wasn't that long ago. It's a part of my soul, yeah. Now where I was born was heaven on earth, where forever washes that red Georgia dirt. The sunsets flow and the stars shine.